Time waits for no man. Going paperless.
Can't separate my night from my day.
Paperless.
Can't separate my night from my day.
Shorter days, longer nights. That work in the building, keeping on all the lights. Whip with left hand, on the Zoom with the right. COVID mask on, fuck witness, that's a sight. Yeah, should I give it to him at light? Or when I'm asking for a light? Mylar, Ziplocs, and we got them in them jars. Only see us in a hoopty, never in a foreign car. Went paperless on niggas, now I only use my car. Take it back to the start, how I hug these streets.